So I decided I would show you guys right from scratch what I do and how I measure things out. I've already cooked my chickpeas. I do that usually on a weekly basis, get some chickpeas cooked up. If you'd like to see that video, please let me know. I'll be happy to put that up for you. So I've got 2 cups of chickpeas here, and I've rinsed those. They came in from the freezer, so normally when I cook my chickpeas, if I have a lot, I'll just throw them in the freezer until I'm ready to use them, and then they're just always ready to go. All right, so I've got my chickpeas. Now I'm just going to measure my spices out. I find that to be the easiest way. I've got a half teaspoon of cumin there, a teaspoon of parsley. Oh, and also, let's get the flax going. So I do 2 tablespoons of ground flax with a 1/4 cup of water. So get that just going so it's ready when you are. Okay, so that's just going to sit there until we need it. Finish with the half a teaspoon of garlic. Kind of messy. We love our garlic, so little more doesn't hurt. And a half a teaspoon of sea salt. Really want to stick that right in there, just cut it through. Oh, that's probably a half teaspoon right there. And that's how it goes. All right, and measure out just a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. 1/4 to 1/8. You may not need them all, depending on how you like the mixture. Okay, so that's the breadcrumbs. Some pepper. Just however much you like. All right, and we did the cumin already. So the breadcrumbs here, spices, flax is waiting to go. Just gonna quickly dice up my onion. So about a 1/4 cup of red onion, not too much. I don't really like too much onion in them. My hubby doesn't either, so we just prefer a little less, so you can put more if you like. It's probably going to be about a 1/4 cup right there. That'll be perfect. I will dice this up and then throw it into the food processor. Probably not necessary, but I like to. I know how much is going in there too. That's probably good. All right. I'm going to pulse the chickpeas first. Spices. And our flax mixture. Pulse and mix. All right, so that's pretty good there. It sticks together, but I am still going to add some breadcrumbs in there. gonna add 1/8 of a cup, I think, of breadcrumbs right now and see how it is. Oops. Crazy. Yeah, that looks perfect. So that's the mixture there. That's what it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to get my little scoop that I like to use and make the patties. Pan all ready, and I will preheat my oven now to 400. Here is my great scoop. Scoop and cut it's called. And if you can get your hands on one of these, do it. I think I got this at maybe a Bulk Barn, but it's wonderful. You'll see how see what I mean here. So what I do is just press the mixture into my little scoop, pop it into my hand, and there you go. So just continue doing that. Press it in fairly good, and then you won't have to do too much after. Just take off any excess so it's a nice little ball shape. And just keep going until all your mixture is used up. I love to keep these in the fridge. These are an amazing thing to have for the week if you want to do any type of food prep. These are amazing just to have in a container. In the morning you can pop them in a wrap for lunches. Dinner time you can just put them on the side of salads. And with these, I think what I'll show you after, maybe tonight I'll make a falafel bowl. So with the falafels, and then I'll just put together a bowl, probably using some cucumbers and tomatoes. I've got a really good dill dip recipe coming up for you. Oh, oven's ready. So I will be posting that soon, and that's what I'll use on the bowl tonight is my dill dip, dill sauce. You know, we have found since becoming vegan that if we have the sauces to go along with our meals, it's actually really nice, depending on what you're eating, but it seems like a yummy ranch or dill dip almost goes with anything. So I really enjoy those. So yeah, tonight I'll make a falafel bowl and show you how we do that. And also, you know, if you have a pita bread, or if you like pita bread, you can throw these in a pita with some tzatziki, some lettuce, tomato, cucumber, you know, and then you've got your base, you've got your protein. These are, you know, chickpeas are amazing. It's quite funny, I think when I boil them that they actually smell like chicken. Not that I even want to smell chicken, and I feel bad every time I smell it and think that. But truth of the matter is, I've smelled a lot of chicken cooking in my life. And yeah, these actually really remind me of chicken when they're boiling. They smell really good. And then also I've got some chickpeas left over, so I'll be showing you how to make some crispy chickpea croutons, which are great for Caesar salad. I've got a good Caesar salad recipe up for you on my website, and also a video. So if you haven't checked that out, head on over and check out the Caesar salad. But yes, I will be putting up, so that's pretty good. So yeah, I will be putting up a video soon on how to make some crispy chickpeas. So then what I do is I just go around, make sure that all the edges are nice and tight. See, if you don't make sure you've got the excess off, that's what you're gonna get. And then it's a little more tedious after when you're trying to press them down, but that's not a big deal. You can just form them kind of as you go. Give them a little pressure with your fingers. these stay together pretty well. All right, so there you have it. We got our falafel patties. See, it made 2, 4, 6, it made 24. So 24 patties, and honestly, you put about 3, I think, in a wrap usually. Maybe 2 if they're, you know, fairly large, and you're putting lots of veggies in them too. But there you go. There's our falafel patties ready to go in the oven. So I will let you know how they look after they're cooked. All right, so this is what the falafel bites look like when they're half done. Now I'm going to give them a quick flip. If you find that you're having a hard time flipping them, just let them cook another few minutes. I could have probably left these in another 2 or 3. They're still a little bit tender, like that one, but that's okay. You know, whatever. So we lose one, still gonna probably eat it. Yeah, these probably could have been just a couple more minutes. That's okay though. Always have one that might fall apart. There we go. That one really didn't want to. Anyway, that's the way it goes. And then just pop them back in. Let's do that. Just for another 15, probably, actually 20 minutes.